Yes, my lion. Young and uprising. Come me say, take it to the world, take it to the world. Take the gospel to the world. Young and uprising. Come me say, take it to the world, take it to the world. Take the gospel to the world. Yes, my lion. Young and uprising. Hey, what's up, people? This is a special for Creole Day. What I'm going to be doing tonight is I'm going to be roasting some plantain and, you know, stirring some smoke herring and having some plantain and smoke herring. I'm going to slice the plantain like I have a bread. I'm going to paste the smoke herring in there and I'm going to enjoy that in front of you guys. Okay, so this is the plantain. What I'm going to do with those, I'm going to peel those and I'm going to roast them in the oven. Well, not all. I'm maybe just going to do just about 3 because who say I can eat all of those plantain, right? So, but unlikely, I'm only going to have 1.5. Maybe me and Lily will have 1.5. So I think 3 is appropriate. So I'm just going to peel those and just put those in the oven to roast for a little while. And during the roasting process, I'm going to be dealing with my seasoning and so on. I'm going to do that while after putting those in the oven, and then I'm going to get back to you guys. All right? Okay, so Lily come to cut the plantain for me so that me alone will not. Oh, look at that, she cut her hair. Any one of you guys noticed? Rocky want to help too? Rocky wants to help. So baby, you just cut this 3 plantain and put them in the fridge. In the oven, yeah, I'm saying fridge. What I'm also going to be doing in the meantime is obviously putting the smoke herring to boil. While the plantain is in the oven, the smoke herring will be boiling and blah blah blah. So Lily just put this smoke herring to boil. Well, she decided, well, we'll not just use smoke herring, but we'll also add a little piece of codfish. You know, make something a little special, I guess. Okay guys, so this is it. It looks like our smoke herring is almost about done. Our plantain is in the oven. It's definitely far from done. Don't ask me how long it has to stay there. I usually just wait for one side to get brown, then turn it until the next side get brown. And when it looks good in my eyes, I take it out. But this is what we have coming on here. Nothing much, nothing fancy. What I have is just that's about one whole onion slice, and I have a mixture of seasoning pepper and bell pepper right there, and I have about 3 cloves of garlic grated nicely. I also have tangy lime that I'm going to use to, you know, to make that, to give it that little sour flavor. You know how fish and lime taste good. So right now is to just clean the smoke herring. I may blend it as well. It depends if I want things to be a little bit more interesting so that it comes out a little bit more smooth, you know, kind of like a bolo, bunjao. Lily's checking them out. Oh, look. What am I saying? Those things are almost done. Woo. Okay guys, so here we have it. Yeah, our smoke herring is ready. Our plantain is ready. So, you know, now it's just the frying process. Let's get into it. Let's light my stove. Put my frying pan to heat up. You know. There's some oil in there. Let the oil heat up a bit. Right, so my frying pan is heated up. I'll put the onions in there. I just put everything in there. You know, other times I would put a little chive, a little parsley, a little celery, because, you know, I like my little seasoning. I like to feel like it's not just this smoke herring I'm eating. I like a lot of onions. You know, just let that simmer down a bit before we initiate the smoke herring. Let that just get a little fried up, huh? Yep. Now I can add my little smoke herring in there. Oh my, this is a mixture of smoke herring and codfish. Yep, make every scrap bit go in there. But I like ketchup. Ketchup is gonna go in there. I also like pepper. Pepper goes in everything. Pepper is also going to go in there. Let me just load on my fire a bit. And my little lime, tangy lime. It's like a tangerine, but it's sour like a lime, trust me. This is going to go in there. Strain it so the seeds doesn't get in there. And you know, that's about it. And all you do, you just go through the mixing process. And here you have it. Here you have it. It doesn't take much, you know. It doesn't take much. Trust me, I can already taste it. I wish you guys could smell it. I can already taste it. And it's just to slice that plantain and put it in. This is it, guys. This is it, guys. Doesn't that look amazing? Doesn't that look amazing? Doesn't that look amazing? Doesn't that, who wants to take the first bite, huh? Oh, doesn't that, I'm making a mess, but it looks amazing. I don't have to show you, I tasting the rest. But this is it. This is the happy Creole Day meal. Supper time. I trust that you all had a good Creole Day today. Peace out, people. Thanks for watching. I know some of you jealous. Taste it together with me. I'm going to make a little orange juice now. Finish it that.
Yes, my lion. Young and uprising. Come me say, take it to the world, take it to the world. Take the gospel to the world. Young and uprising. Come me say, take it to the world, take it to the world. Take the gospel to the world. Yes, my lion. Young and uprising.